What's up, Bling Squad? Welcome back to our channel where we turn ordinary items into dazzling works of art. I'm Krystal, your bling bestie, and today I have something truly sparkly in store for you. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to take your wine flutes from drab to FAB with the help of glass rhinestones from Krowned Krystals, of course, and our trusty companion Krystal Glaze that will ensure a strong and long-lasting bond. I'm here to teach you techniques, tips, and tricks to achieve a flawless and dazzling finish. And don't worry, if you are new to blinging, I'll explain everything in detail, making it easy for beginners to follow along. I want you to feel confident and inspired to create your very own beautiful masterpieces. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a set of wine flutes that will make any occasion extra glamorous. Whether it's a girl's night in, a special celebration, or even just a cozy evening by yourself, these wine flutes will definitely make a statement. As you can see, I already did the one to the left. I most likely got the one to the left from Home Goods because that's my store, and the one to the right that I'm going to be doing today I got from Ross. I cannot pass it up. Here are emerald green rhinestones from Krowned Krystals. Of course, your Krystal Glaze glue that comes with a precision tip and a rhinestone pickup tool. I decided through the middle of the project that I would change the color, and you will see I decided to use green flame. And so to start with this one, I'm doing the base of the flute, and I have no pattern. I'm just making dots with even spaces. And then for the second row, I'm going in between that first row that I did. It's a very simple project. It does not take long at all, and it's very easy for beginners to grasp. The precision tip on Krystal Glaze glue is unbeatable because projects like this are so much easier to accomplish because of the precision tip. And then if you're going to do it, you're going to do it right. You got to use glass rhinestones. Now, in the past, I have used resin rhinestones and I'm still a fan. However, we want to do it the right way. We want to go big or go home. And so in this case, we will be using glass rhinestones throughout. And I am absolutely in love. Just as I did at the bottom, we're just creating even spaces and placing dots where we want those rhinestones to go. With this one, I just did the base of the stone and started with SS30. Here's when I decided that I wanted to use green flame. These are color shifting rhinestones. We also have some called blue flame, but those are so beautiful, and I thought that they would go much better with the look of this cup. I don't know why I didn't think of that in the beginning, but I ended up liking the different looks of the dark green and then kind of changing to the other color. So I'm pleased. Just as I did at the bottom, we're doing the same, even spaces, and I'm using one size rhinestone for the first layer. So I believe that is SS20. On this one, I used SS20, SS16, and SS12 rhinestones. On the bigger one that you saw earlier, that one I used SS30 glass rhinestones, SS20, and I believe SS16. So the choice is yours in regards to what size stones that you want to use. Now that I have all of my SS20 rhinestones placed where I want them to go, I am going to go in between those spaces with my next size, which is size SS16. After I do SS16, I'm going to do the same thing with an even smaller rhinestone, SS12. And so this is up to you how you want to design yours. You can go as far up as you want. I do not want to go up too far because I do not want to eat rhinestones, even though I wish I could. Girl, we are done. You can't find this in the store. You really cannot find this in the store. It looks even better, and you will have so much joy saying that you completed it yourself. Look at that sparkle. Look at this shine. I'm so excited. Cannot wait to see what you create. Krystal Glaze times Krowned Krystals. Duh. And I'm not going to leave you hanging, so just in case, which you probably did, especially if you're a beginner, you might sometimes get some excess glue or strings. And so you can use a Q-tip, but I'm using this eyeshadow brush. Let it dry first. And I'm just removing that alcohol. Look at that. And that's a wrap, my fellow bling enthusiasts. We've reached the end of this dazzling tutorial where we've transformed ordinary wine flutes into works of art. I hope you enjoyed learning the techniques and tricks to bling out your own wine flutes using glass rhinestones from Krowned Krystals, of course, and our trusty companion, Krystal Glaze glue. Remember, the possibilities are truly endless when it comes to strassing. You can let your creativity shine by experimenting with different colors, patterns, and designs. If you followed along with this tutorial, I would love to see your sparkling creations. Feel free to tag us on social media or leave us a review on our website with a photo. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on future rhinestone adventures. I have plenty more rhinestone art projects and tutorials coming your way. Lastly, I want to express my gratitude to each and every one of you for your support and enthusiasm for bling. Your positive energy keeps me inspired to create and share the joy of blinging with the world. Until next time, stay fab and sparkle on, darling. Thanks for watching.